welcome to the channel. Today I am driving the Ford Mustang and I'm on my way to a car meet called Hears and Grinds. It's a car meet I've been to before. I don't think I've ever covered it for the channel. I haven't gone in a very long time, but from what I'm seeing and hearing, and also my friend Derrick, who I'm meeting over there, it's gaining a lot of momentum and popularity, so the turnout's been pretty good. The past couple times I've went, quite a while ago, the turnout was not the greatest, but apparently now it's doing really well, so I want to go check it out. In Las Vegas, it's kind of interesting. A lot of the car enthusiasts kind of stay on their side of town. They don't really go to other meets as much, so I want to go check out some of the cars on that side of town. This meet's more exotic, European car and muscle car based, with, you know, some sprinkling of some tuner cars. So it's a, you know, good mixed bag. Less classics like the other cars and coffee that I go to, cars and coffee style event that I go to. But yeah, it should be a good time. I'm on my way there now, about to cut over the strip, jump on the freeway and get there. And if you haven't already, please do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button and like button. Still doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. So once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away some merch. All you gotta do is follow our social media accounts, links in the description below, and also subscribe to this channel. Got here to the meet. It's actually pretty full. The center section doesn't hold a lot of cars, and they're doing a lot of vendors, so everybody's parking on the outskirts. Here's the row that I am on. Waiting for Derrick to show up. He's lagging for the guy that lives the closest. I already saw a couple other friends that are looking for a spot to park. Again, this is the back area. I'll get some more coverage as we get more in the main area. That pretty much is the walkthrough of the Gears and Grinds meet. Not a bad meet. You know, about 150 cars or so, I would say, is the what showed up throughout the course of the hour and a half that I was hanging out there. Thanks again to Derrick for inviting me out. There he is. Gonna go clean the house now. Until next time, thanks again for watching. See you on the next episode.